The Northrop Grumman RQ-4 Global Hawk is a remotely piloted surveillance aircraft. It flies at high altitudes to gather intelligence for military operations. Originally developed by Ryan Aeronautical, it's now a Northrop Grumman product. The Global Hawk provides a broad overview of areas using advanced sensors. It utilizes synthetic aperture radar, or SAR, to create detailed images. Electro-optical and infrared sensors provide additional surveillance capabilities. These sensors allow for long loiter times over target areas. The United States Air Force operates the Global Hawk. It acts as a high-altitude, long-endurance platform, often called HALE. Its surveillance capabilities improve weapons targeting accuracy. These capabilities also enhance the protection of friendly forces. Early cost overruns led to reductions in planned acquisitions. The flyaway cost increased significantly from its initial estimates. The U.S. Navy adapted the Global Hawk into the RQ-4C Triton. The Triton is specifically designed for maritime surveillance. The Air Force plans to retire its Global Hawks in 2027. In the 1990s, the Air Force developed multiple uncrewed aerial intelligence platforms. The Global Hawk was chosen over the stealthy Lockheed Martin RQ-3 Dark Star. The Global Hawk's range and payload capacity were key factors in that decision. Its first flight was on February 28, 1998, at Edwards Air Force Base. The DARPA-sponsored ACTD program evaluated its design and capabilities. Demand for the RQ-4's abilities was high during the war in Afghanistan. The aircraft entered initial low-rate production while still in development. The Block 20 redesign increased the aircraft's payload capacity to 3,000 pounds.